If you're a Bankline customer, you no longer need to visit a branch or post office to deposit a cheque. So long as you have the right privileges, you can do this anytime in our Bankline Mobile app by scanning the cheque with your phone's camera. It's secure and easy to do. You can deposit most types of cheques if they're in pounds sterling. You can deposit single cheques up to £10,000 and multiple cheques up to a daily profile limit of £30,000. Here's how it works. Once you're in Bankline Mobile, select the Pay tab. Tap Deposit Cheques, then Pay in Cheque now. Select the account you want to pay the cheque into. Here, you'll also see how much of your daily profile limit for depositing cheques is remaining. Enter the cheque amount, then tap Take Photo of Cheque. You'll need to allow your phone to use its camera if you haven't already. Take photos of both the front and back of the cheque, even if the back is blank. It's best to do this against a dark background. Finally, on the summary screen, review the details to check they're correct, and when you're happy, tap Submit. If you've submitted the cheque before 6 p.m, it'll be in your account within 2 working days. This is just one of the ways Bankline Mobile could help. With our app, you can also view your account balances on the go and raise and approve domestic payments using your phone's biometric features, so you won't have to carry around your smart card or reader. If you don't have access to Bankline Mobile, you can talk to your administrator about getting access. They'll be able to assign you the relevant privileges. If you are the administrator, you can set up Bankline Mobile access by going to Manage Users in the Administration menu of Bankline and giving your chosen users the Bankline Mobile Master role. For more information, visit www.natwest.com/business/Bankline-Mobile.